In the heart of creation, a journey is about to unfurl. Welcome to Shantou Yupai Metal Products Co. Limited. Nestled in the heart of Guangdong, China, a hub of ingenuity emerges. This is where dreams of metal take shape. A hub of innovation where minds coverage, each thought a spark, igniting the symphony of creation. Precision blooms as 3D blueprints come alive, crafting the wonders of tomorrow. Endorsements of excellence, marks of trust, certifications, a testament to uncompromising commitment to quality and sustainability. A journey through the realm of metal mystery, where innovation knows no bounds. A symphony of transformation gives birth to parts that power countless industries. The dance of precision unfolds within the CNC workshop, where pixels melt metal with unwavering accuracy. Behold the alchemy of metal, as sheets transform into purposeful forms, shaped by skilled hands and visionary minds. In the realm of force and form, metal bows to the power of precision stamping, every strike a step toward perfection. Sparks illuminate the path of skilled artisans as metal fuses, creating connections that withstand the tests of time. Molten metal meets meticulous molds, shaping the future with each pore, strength and structure intertwined in the forge of progress. In the domain of transformation, metal transcends itself, birthing intricate shapes within the metal injection molding chamber. In the realm of fine particles, innovation takes its form. From powder to perfection, each piece a testament to precision. In the hallowed hall of assurance, meticulous guardians scrutinize. Quality's embrace ensures excellence in every facet. Explore our world of metal mystery, where innovation and precision unite. Visit our digital haven, www.upaimetal.com.